Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to conduct the third period or the third part of the chapter called Area and Perimeter of Triangle and Quadrilateral. This is for 9th standard students, right? The first question which I am going to solve today is the question is like this. If in a square length, the length of a diagonal is 20 root 2 meter, let us find that how much length in meter is required for fencing a wall surrounding of it, right? So here what we are told here that it is a means we are given a square here. So let's take a piece of land which is square in the shape, right? So we took a land, okay, whose shape is square. As we know that in the square shape, what we have, all sides are equal, right? As we know that in square all sides are equal. So let's take it as name A, B, C and D, right? So what we are told that the length of diagonal is 20 root 2, right? So let's take any of the diagonal, okay? I took this one, right? So what we are told here, 20 root 2 meter, right? So this is the diagonal here. Then what we are told that we are asked to find the length of the wall which surrounds this length, right? It means we need to find the perimeters. Perimeter means what we understand means perimeter, that is length from here, here. This is known as perimeter, right? So if you build a wall, if you construct the wall, we'll construct the wall here, okay? It means we need to find the perimeter, right? So before we find the perimeters of a squares, okay, when we try to find the perimeter of a square, what we understand, we need to know the side of the square, right? So here the side is unknown. The side is unknown, but we are given diagonal here, right? So in part of solutions, what we'll do here first, we don't know the side, okay? So let the side of square length be x, okay? Let the side of the square length be x. So we took as x, okay, here. So we got at it, means we took it as x, right? So the side of the square we have taken as x, right? So since diagonal we are given here, okay, the diagonal is 20 root 2 meter, right? So this is the diagonal, right? Now in case of diagonal, the formula to find the diagonal of a square is root 2 into side, okay, root 2 into side. So here we have 20 root 2 meter as it is, right, equals to side equals to 20 root 2 meter. Here is multiply, this will become here divide, okay, this will become as divide, right? So therefore in place of side we have taken with x, we'll write here x equals to this root 2 will get cancelled, right? So we will be left with 20 meter. So what we got, the side is 20 meter. Now what we need to find, we need to find the length in meter is required for fencing a wall surrounding of it. So therefore length of wall, right? Length of wall, right? Now when you find the perimeter of a square, right? Perimeter of a square, the formula is 4 into side, okay? The formula is 4 into side. So the formula we use to find the perimeter of a square is 4 into side, okay? So here 4 into the side value, that is x value, we have got 20 meters. So right here 20 meter, right? Now when we multiply this, we'll get here 80 meter. Means 80 meter is the length of the wall which is required to surround this piece of land, okay. Okay, the next question which we have here is the length of hypotenuse of an isosceles right angle triangle is 12 root 2 centimeter. Find the area of triangle. So here what we are given, first we'll talk about the questions. What we are told here, we are given hypotenuse, okay? What we have here, we are given hypotenuse of an isosceles right angle triangle, right? what we are told, hypotenuse of an isosceles right angle triangle. So let's have a right angle triangle first, right? So here we have the right angle triangle, right? Isosceles right angle triangle. Okay, isosceles right angle triangle. In case of isosceles right angle triangle, what you understand that there is perpendicular and base. Okay, perpendicular and base are equal. In case of right angle triangle, what you understand, perpendicular and base are equal. And here we are given hypotenuse. That is, the hypotenuse is 12 root 2 centimeters. So here we take 12 root 2 centimeter. Means we are given, we have the hypotenuse, that is 12 root 2 centimeters, and afterwards we are asked to find the area of the triangle. So before we try to find the area of isosceles right angle triangle, so here what we need to know the base and perpendicular. Since it is isosceles right angle triangle, okay, since it is isosceles right angle triangle, here what we understand that is perpendicular and base are equal, right? So here, first of all, in part of solutions, the hypotenuse is given here 12 root 2 centimeter, right? Then what is missing here? Base and perpendicular is missing here. So what we'll do here, let base and perpendicular, right? Base and perpendicular be x. Why I am taking here base and perpendicular as x? Because in case of isosceles right angle triangle, what you understand, base and perpendicular are equal, right? So I took them as x, right? Now here what we are given here, hypotenuse, isn't it? Since base square plus perpendicular square equals to hypotenuse square. This is the rule which we follow, right? This is Pythagoras theorem. We know it, this is as Pythagoras theorem, right? Now here what we have, base. Base is what is their base? The base is x. Will take here x square plus, then perpendicular. What is the perpendicular here? X. Will take it as x here, x square equals to hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is 12 root 2 centimeter, right? So 12 root 2 centimeter, sorry, centimeter square. Okay, we'll take it as square, right? Now here x square plus x square will have here 2x square. X square plus x square will have as 2x square, right? And here we have got 12 square will be 144, right? Into then root 2 square. Okay, root 2 square will be only 2. Then here we have centimeter square, we write as centimeter square. Okay, now here we have x square equals to 144 into 2 centimeter square, right? Divided by, here we have 2. This multiply will become here divide. So this 2 will get cancelled, right? Now here we can take x square, right? Here we've got 144, right? It's 144. If you find the square root of 144, right? What we'll get here, 144, in place of 144 we can write 12 into 12, right? Can be written as 12 square. Okay, so here what we'll do here, in place of 144 we'll write here 12 centimeter, okay, whole square, right? So here why I'm taking here we have a square, here we have a square, this square and this square will get cancelled, right? Here this square and this square will get cancelled. This part from where we got 12 12s are 144, right? So 12 into 12 can be written as 12 square, right? And here we have, so therefore x equals to, what we'll have here, we'll have 12 centimeter, right? So the x value, that is perpendicular, we got 12 centimeter, we'll write here 12 centimeter, right? Here also 12 centimeter. We got this part, right? Now what we are asked to find, we are asked to find the area of triangle. So area of isosceles right angle triangle, therefore area of triangle, right? Which triangle we are talking about? We are talking about isosceles right angle triangle. Okay, what we are talking about means we are talking about a right angle triangle. So the formula to find the area of right angle triangle is half into base into height, right? Half into base into, in place of height let's write here perpendicular, because by h we'll get puzzle that it may be hypotenuse. Okay, so we'll write here perpendicular, right? Now 1 by 2 into base. Base is how much here? 12 centimeter. Let's write here 12 centimeter. And perpendicular is how much here? 12 centimeter. Let's write here 12 centimeter. Right? Now we got it this. So let's cancel this. 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12. Right? So 6 12 that means 12 6 are 72. Centimeter into centimeter will get here centimeter square. Right? So this is the answer. That is 72 centimeter square is the area of this triangle. So I hope it is understandable for my viewers. If there will be any doubt in understanding, you can comment me in the comment box of my YouTube channel. Thank you all.